Hi, and welcome to my channel, Rust and Roses. I'm Rebecca, and I'm so glad you joined me today. This is going to be a real quick video, but I think it's very informative, and I hope you'll consider trying it. Think about subscribing to this channel if you like the content. Give me a like, thumbs up, and share. Thank you. So this is going to be a real quick video, but I saw something the other day that made me curious as to whether or not you could transfer t-shirt transfers onto wood. So of course I went to YouTube and I watched several videos on it, and I wanted to show you just how amazing this works. So I have one of the rounds that I ordered from Temu, and I have my little Cricut mini press over here heating up. I found this really cute, well, I got a whole package of them, but this is really cute. It had sweater weather on the bottom of it, but I took that off because I didn't want that to be on my round. So instead I'm going to use this cutout from Home that says Home after I paint it to go on top of my pumpkins. But I just wanted to show you how amazing these transfers are on wood. And then of course you could just take it from there however you want to use it. But you don't use any kind of cover or anything. I have my mini press. I'm going to hold my transfer in place, start in the middle, and I'm just going to press. I only put this on the second setting so that it won't be too terribly hot. And I just begin working my transfer in the center from top to bottom, holding it tight, making sure that I press down evenly. Now, one of the things that I watched on the video said that it works better like this with a small surface area like a Cricut easy mini press, because of course the wood has waves in it, and you want to make sure that you cover every square inch of this transfer. I made a stain using Home Decor's chalk paint in the color Mocha. I watered that down and used a baby white just to stain my round. Now I'm just going over, like I said, every square inch. And actually when it begins to adhere to your wood, you can see that the transfer actually starts popping up off of the transfer, the print. So I've done that side. I'm going to come over here, work my way over. And I centered it so that both of the pumpkins would be sort of sitting just on the edge of my round. And I would have plenty of room. I had my home laid up there before I placed it so that I could make sure I had my pumpkin peduncle in just the right place. I'm just going to continue to press this fairly firmly. And the video did say that this should be a cool peel, so I'm going to have to let it cool for just a minute. I did one earlier today just to see if it was going to work. It was a Highland cow, and oh my word, I have to tell you just how absolutely adorable that one turned out. I'm getting ready for a fall festival. I'm a vendor in the fall festival, and I'm hoping that these transfers for the door hangers will be good sellers. Okay, I'm going to give that just a second to cool. I'm going to begin to peel it back. And you're going to peel it back very slowly to make sure if any of your transfer is trying to come up, you can just lay it back down and iron over it a little bit more. This one looks like it's probably coming up very easily. So we're going to continue to peel very slowly. And then I use the opposite side of my transfer just to burnish it down. I'm using the slick side. I'm just going to press down to make sure everything is adhered well. And my goodness, look at that. Is that absolutely amazing? Now all I have to do is put my trim on, put a nice bow, put a hanger on it, and of course I'll have to paint the home sign and glue that on. But I just wanted to show you how absolutely awesome these are. So if you order some of these, I got these off of Amazon. If you order them for t-shirts, don't forget, you can also put them on wood rounds. So here's the finished product. I decided not to put the home plaque on there. I decided to just do a pretty bow. And of course I sealed it. And there you have it.